How to add a spinning wheel to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, this is not available in Wix itself, so we're just going to be using a third-party application, which is going to pretty much help us add this spinning wheel to our liking. And we can fully customize it, by the way, so don't worry too much about it. Now, I need to note, by the way, this is not for Wix Studio. This is going to be for the default Wix, even though I think it's going to be the same for Wix Studio, but this tutorial is using the default Wix editor. Now, with that being out of the way, we just basically want to start by clicking on Edit Site from the top right and opening up our site editor. So once this loads in, I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do next. Okay, so now that my site is open, what I'm going to do first is make some space for it. So I'm just going to add a section here, an empty one, and just make some space here for it, just in case. Now we're pretty much done from the Wix part. Now to create the spinning wheel, we just want to open up a new browser tab and just search elfsight.io. Elf, ELF, site as in vision, and .io. Click on that. And then just go ahead and create your account for free. Now, it is not completely for free. Creating your account is going to be for free, but the actual widget, spinning wheel, or any other widget really, is going to depend on the views that you will be getting and stuff. There's going to be different plans, and you may need to check that out for yourself. But for the time being, I'm just going to be using the free version. So we can just go ahead and log in for free. And we basically just wanted to search for, if we just go to catalog here at the top, we just wanted to search for spin, and you will see spinning wheel right away. So just go ahead and click on that. And then now you'll need to choose a template from the ones that are available. There are going to be plenty of different templates, and the thing is, you can actually feel free to customize them further, so don't worry. But I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and click on continue with this template. And now when it comes to theme here from the bottom left, or the left side, we can feel free to change the colors if you don't like them. And also the design wise, the font, the accent color, and all of those things. But when it comes to contents here, this is pretty much where we need to change stuff. So here, for example, we have heading. We want to change that so it is now a spinny wheel, for example. And if we wanted to add the text here, if we wanted to change it, spin the wheel. And then we can also make this email required to spin, if that's what you want. It's completely up to you whether you want that or not. But I'm just going to turn it off. And then if you want to add a logo, you can also feel free to do so. For the footer text, you can add some text and you will see exactly where it goes. And then we also have the prizes. So this is going to be what's inside the actual wheel. So here you can feel free to delete the ones that are in there, so you can actually feel free to change this. So 50% off, let's just keep it the same, and you will see congratulations on scoring 50%. As you can see here, you've just unlocked a massive 50% discount on your entire discount and entire order and so on. So you can adjust every single element of that. So you can actually see here heading, text, promo code, you can change that, and also action button text. So you can actually do that and then give the link to that action button. So there's plenty of customization to each one of them. And if you want to even add more, you can feel free to do so from add price. Or you can just go in and delete them straight away if you don't want them. So let's just keep it as 3. If you want to go to settings here, we also have more customization, but I'm not going to talk about it further because we already talked about a lot of stuff here. So customize it to your liking, and once you're happy with it, click on publish on the top right. And here you can see the plans that are available on Elfsight. I'm just going to go for the free one, but make sure you check out all of them and see which one is going to suit you best. I'm just going to click on that, the free one, and click on copy code. You basically just want to copy the code that they give you and go back to your Wix website editor. Go to the empty section, click on add elements, go to embed code, go to embed HTML, double click on it. This opens up, paste it in here, click on update. I'm sorry if I went a little bit fast, but I think I was very clear. Copy the code from here, click on install, copy the code, go back here, add elements, embed HTML, and then just add the code and you have your spinning wheel. You can make it as big or as small as you want it to be. And this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.